Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine. So before we dive in today's video, I want to quickly remind you about something important. If you have been enjoying my content and finding it helpful, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the notification by clicking on the bell icon. In this way, you will be the first whenever I uploaded a new video, ensuring you never miss out the latest C programming tutorial and tips. Your support mean the world to me, and I am so excited to continue this journey with you. So in the previous video, I have discussed about the some basic introduction of the C language and execution of the C language, how the high level language is translated into machine code, what are translation, linking and dodging models. Some basic more concepts are very necessary before writing a program, like constant, data types, functions, variables. So this is the main concept that are very necessary before writing a program. So first of all, we clear of it and then we will jump to the writing programs, right? So today I am going to start a topic about constant in C. So there are two types of the constant in C language. First is that numeric constant and second is that character constant, right? But somewhere it is written four types of the constant. So what are these? So this is the four types of the constant that are also used in C language, right? So numeric is also two types: integer constant, floating constant, and character constant also two types further: single character constant and string constant. So first of all, we talk about the integer constant. So before understand it, what are constant? Constant are that value that you assign to a variable, and this value cannot be changed during the next steps of the programming. So constant are that value that has been fixed while writing a program and you cannot change during run the program. So first of all, we understand what is integer constant, right? How do we write integer constant? Integer constant means that we write numbers, right? So if you write 1, 3, 4, 10, 3, 4, 9, so any number that we write, this is called integer constant, right? So if we write 0, 4, 0, 4, 0, 10, so this is integer constant also, but this is not decimal integer constant, right? Because integer also three types of the next three types. So what are these? So this is the three types of the integer constant that is further divided into three types. So first one is that decimal, second is octal, and third is that hexadecimal. So this come into the this come into the, because in octal data type first prefix the 0 before the digit. So this is comes into the octal data types, right? So more understand to it, I want to clear to you. So in decimal 0 to 9 are numbers and base is 10, and octal constant 0 to 7 and base is 8, and hexadecimal 0 to 15 and base is 16. So this is the decimal constant, decimal integer constant, and this is the octal base constant, right? So next I tell you about the hexadecimal. How to we write hexadecimal, right? So 0x 74. So this is the hexadecimal constant, because in we hexadecimal data type we write first 0 and then x and then digits, right? So this is the hexadecimal data type. we write 0 small x 10 20. We can also write small x and capital X, right? So this is also hexadecimal data type. And and one thing I want and one thing is that in hexadecimal data type, first 0 to 9 are numbers, and first 9 to 0 to 9 are 10 numbers, right? And then next five are alphabets, because 10. So in hexadecimal data type, first 0 to 9 are 10 numbers, and then next 5 are alphabets used. So we can write 0x274A. So this is also hexadecimal data type, right? So 0x498F. So this is the hexadecimal data type, right? But if we write out of the out of out of F alphabets, right, then will error occur, right? If we write 0, so if we write in this, if we write at the last G, so this is not hexadecimal data type before, because it not comes into this category, right? Because last alphabet digit is F, then it becomes 0 to 15 and base becomes 16. So this is the type of the hexadecimal, right? So it will occur error, and this is the hexadecimal data type, right? And next, I hope you got what is decimal, octal and hexadecimal data type, right? And next we talk about the floating constant. What is floating constant? Floating constant are that numbers that have fractional part, right? So what, how do we write it? So this is the first numeric, and this is the decimal point, and this is the fractional part. In this way we write floating constant, right? So we can write any 9, 4, 9, 11, 13. So this is the type of the floating constant. Any we write 1. So this is the type of floating constant, right? But if we write 91, 49, and this is not, so this is not floating constant, because we have used two decimal point. We cannot use 2 decimal point in floating constant, right? So it will error occur, right? So one thing more is that here we can write default is that plus sign. If we write negative, it is also valid, right? So this is also valid, and this is also valid. Either we can use plus and negative, right? So both we can use in integer constant. As like that we can use also decimal, octal, hexadecimal data type, because default sign is plus, and we can also write negative sign. We can use negative and plus sign, right? So next we talk about the character constant. Character constant is divided into 2 types. First is that single constant, and second is that string constant. And then next we talk about the character constant. So for character constant also further divided into 2 types. First is that single constant, and second is that character constant. First of all, we talk about the single character constant. What is single character constant, right? So single character, it shows that from the name single character constant. So we write always in single character. So single character, right? That number that is enclosed in single quotation marks, that is called single character constant. Any digit, any numbers, any alphabet that we write in single quotation, that is called single character. That will equal to the single character, right? So I write A, 1 2 3 at the rate comma. So this is all single character constant that we write enclosed in single quotation marks, right? So it is called single character constant. But these character stored in memory in ASCII value 66 and so on, right? So A is alphabet and this is the ASCII value 65. 65 will be stored into memory and alphabet will be printed on the screen A, and 66 value stored in the memory and B alphabet will be printed on the screen. So this is the ASCII value representation that is represent in the memory, right? So to understand it, I'll tell you. So this is the ASCII values that is represent the single character on the screen, right? So A to Z is that 65 to 90 ASCII values, right? So and small alphabet A to Z 97 to 122, right? And then number 0 to 9 48 to 57, right? And then special characters. What are special characters? Special characters are that we write commas, at the rate, curly braces, parentheses. So this is the all special characters. So this is the special characters, right? So 0 to 47 are special characters, and then 50 and 58 to 64 are special characters, and then 91 to 96 are special characters that are stored in the memory and will represent on the screen single character, right? So this is the ASCII value. I hope you got it, right? And next we will talk about the string constant. What is string constant? String constant is a collection of characters are called string, right? So string constant, how we can write string constant? For example, I write Irfan. So this is the string constant, right? How we write string constant in double quotation marks, right? And any character, any collection of string that we write in double quotation marks are called string constant, right? So if we write this is also string constant, right? And if we write A, this is also string constant because it is enclosed into double quotation marks. All character if enclosed in double quotation marks, this will also called string constant, right? If this is not equal to this one, right? So this is not equal to, because it is single character constant and this is the string constant and it has a ASCII value and it is simple A, right? So it will simple A value print, and this is a single character constant, right? That has ASCII value, right? So this is also not equal to that one, right? So this is the single character constant and this is the string constant and this is the single character constant. I hope you got it. And next I'll tell you how we declare constant values, right? So we use const keyword. This is also written into void. I'm not writing a complete program, just to understand, right? So this is the constant value. So this is the pattern of to declare a constant value, right? So its value cannot be changed throughout the program whenever we change the value, right? So this is the constant value. If I removed this word const keyword, then you can change this value, any value, right? So then 50 value will be print, that is last time updated. So if I update 10, if I update 11, so 11 value will be printed. So in this way value can be changed, but if we const the value, then this const value cannot be changed by writing const keyword. And at the last, I tell you about the symbolic constant. What is symbolic constant, right? You write hash define pi 3.14. So this is written with the header files, right, before the word main, right? So if pi, the value of pi 3.14 can be used throughout the program, and it will not be changed during the all steps of the programs, and we cannot change at the runtime. We cannot give value at the runtime of this variable, right? So this is the variable, and this is the value, and this is the pattern to declare constant values, right? So this is the symbolic constant, right? So if we write max here variable, and we write 10 any value, right? Max and variable here, any variable can be, right? To distinguish what is the meaning of this variable, right? So this is the pattern of to write a symbolic constant, that is right before with the header files first, right? So this is the about the constant that are used in C language, right? And next I'll talk about the variables in C. Till then, a lot of care of you. I'll see you in the next video.